Or I was just sitting here watching the first 5 minute candle. So it looks like it closed there. Alright, so bottom's down here at like 19,515. I'm going to mark that. Now we're just sitting here watching the first 5 minute candle. Mute that. So it looks like it closed there. Alright, so a little feedback. Like 19,515. Mark that. Alright, so sorry about that, guys. Got the wrong thing here. Alright, so here's that mark. Now we just gotta watch the play. It's either gonna be a this will probably hold, but a break, and then retest. Alright, so hold and continue lower. Now we're just gonna watch the play. It's either gonna be a or it's gonna hold here. This will probably hold, but a break and then retest. I'm gonna go down to a 1 minute. Hold and so this thing came down, hit here, pop back up. Now you could also play this the break of this trend in here. So right here would be your entry at 30. Right there, that would have been the entry. So this thing came down here. I was not fast enough for that. It's gotta be just a scalp, dude, honestly. So right here would be your entry at 30. Right there. That would be the entry. So watching this thing push up, it's pretty nice. It's a nice breakout. It's gotta be just a scalp, dude, honestly. We're within this channel, this 5 minute range. So we got to see what's going to happen in here. So watching this thing. 1, 2, 3. If this couldn't finish green, it's pretty bullish. It's a 1 minute candle at this point. We're within this channel, this 5 minute range. So we can see what's going to happen in here. Okay, small pullback. 1, 2, 3. If this couldn't finish green, it's pretty bullish. It's a 1 minute candle at this point. Okay, small pullback. New candle, make a new high right here is for a breakout for a bull flag. It's not looking that good. I want to see orders go through on the left. A ton of green. New candle, make a new high right here is for a breakout for a bull flag. It's not looking very much like it's pushing. See orders go through on the left. Kind of green. Yeah, this is all just in between the 5 minute range. You want to wait. You can do a retest of this bottom candle here too. That's another one, but you're in the middle here, so you want to come back down to like a double bottom. This is all just in between the 5. Pretty much already did. One right there, tapped right there, held, popped right back up. It's going to do a retest down here to the bottom of the 5-minute range. Okay, so we have another possible breakout right here. Okay, your entry would be at 46. You'd be risking a 26. We have another possible breakout right here. Okay, entry would be at 46. You'd be risking a 26. Okay, I'm long. Seeing if this thing can push up. To get to the 61s. Right here to the 61s. I'm long. There we go. Come on. So close. There we go. Filled. Okay, so there's one trade. Got 3 green candles that would be pretty powerful. So that was one entry coming in right here. Break of this trend line up. Top of the range there on this little flag was going to be my out. I'm doing the micros, not the minis. Okay. Also, draw this trend line here now. I'm doing the micros. So this thing's looking like it's holding up pretty good. See it pull back. Hold off this trend line. Another flag pattern on the 1-minute chart. Another flag pattern on the 1-minute chart. Possible push higher with another leg up right here, but also consider this is I believe high day at 77. Possible push higher, another leg up right here, but also consider this is I believe high day. At 77. Okay, I'm long to see if this thing can break above. Now that it pulled back, more buyers stepping in, trying to push it up to high a day, which is 77. And I'll put just above that up here. I'll sell it like 78 for the squeeze and push higher. See if this thing can break above. And then pull back, more buyers stepping in, trying to push it up. My profit target's going to be around high a day. 77. I'll put just above that. Sell it like 78 for the squeeze and push higher. Oops. I had 2 on that one. So I shorted the top accidentally, but I'll get out. I had a I put 2 contracts on instead of 1. For some reason, this had 2. So there's that pop over high day. Got out of that trade. Accidentally went short and then got another profit, but it was just to basically sell out right here. Just a small amount. I'm up 147 on the day, but that's with other trades that I pulled. So there's that pop over high day. Got out of that trade. Accidentally went short and then got another profit, but it was just to basically sell out right here. Just a small amount. I'm up 147 on the day, but that's with other. Okay, high days. It's good pushing. It's got room to the 600s now. Just needs the volume though. If you look at the volume is depleting. So here's the volume at the start, around the open, and then it's pulling down. And then now a lot of the sell pressure is coming in. Okay, that thing is rejecting obviously off the highs. It's coming back down. It's testing that channel. I think it might. I don't know. It might break. That and come down lower. But I don't know. So you gotta kind of watch this little area here to see if this trend line can hold. Okay, that thing is rejecting obviously off the highs. It's coming back down. It's testing that channel. I think it might. So let's just watch to see if this thing can maybe come back down lower, retest the lows, pop back up, give us some room to get some profit out of there. So let's just watch to see if this thing can maybe come back down lower, retest the lows, pop back up. So right here, some people might start getting like long, but it's also possible trap. But that, so the other move is it comes down, new 1 minute to make a new high would have been right there. Your entry would have been at 61. 61 would have popped up into like the 67s. So right here. Oh wow. So it's also possible trap. Thanks. So the other move is comes down, new 1 minute to make a new high. See, this thing just keeps on getting tested. This trend line keeps getting tested. Okay, we got another trend or another line to draw here. Right there. Got to be fast because it might break quick. Okay, so rejected. This could squeeze up or break right down. This is the question. We're not sure what it's going to do. Okay, so it's pulling back. It almost looks like a bear flag. Okay, so rejected. Okay, so it's breaking down out of this channel. We'll see if it could hold down here and continue. But again, we're within the 5-minute range. Okay, it's pulling down pretty hard. So this was a high. This was a lower high. This is a low. And now you're gonna start to see a new low, but they're buying off the support down here at the 30s. They're now buying support off the 30s. So this was a high. This was a lower high. This is a low. And now you're gonna start to see they're buying off the support down here at the 30s. They're now buying support off the 30s. Little scalp back up into the 50s, possibly 60s. Okay, we're gonna retest under here. If you want, you want to watch for this thing to reject, but we will see. It could regain. Okay, it regained its trend. You need that to go up and watch. So people are getting squeezed right now. They're all short. They're getting bent through high day. High day is now pushed up into the 90s. Now we got ourselves a little bit of a channel here. It's not perfect, but it's still a channel. Now we got ourselves a little bit of a channel here. We're outside the open range. Okay, 5 minute. So it come back down. If it could hold here, it could hold this area, you can get long. You're going to watch a lot of people get long here. Okay, I'm going to get long. We're outside the open anticipating that it could hold. Anticipating that this could hold and push higher. Small pullback. Your risk is kind of custom on this one. Now, the risk is to just like just below 70. You got to give it a little bit. I'll put like put a stop in right here. Okay, pushing up. I'm gonna see a new high day. I want to see it push through the 90s up in and work all the way up into the 19,600 area. If we could see it squeeze to the 95s, holding 95s, keep pushing. Keep pushing. I'm going to take one off because it's smart. Take one off. Keep pushing up higher. Watching this thing squeeze. Watching my new channel here. Pushing up into the 600s. Watch for one more squeeze up into like the 604s or something. Watching it squeeze. Almost the 604s. Almost. One more. Looking for one more. I might have to get out. Okay, I'm getting out. Watching that thing pull back and let set back up. That was a nice trade. 196 on the day. Okay, I gotta take off my stop loss. Okay, do you guys see how that happened? Okay, so that came up. It popped out the top of the 5-minute opening range. It came back down. It retested. I saw it wick up. As it wicked up, I said, okay, I like this. I'm going to get long. So I got long in this one small pullback candle. And then this thing opened up, and then it shot up, just like a bull flag. And then I was looking for high day and the squeeze. Came back down. It retested. I saw it wick up. As it wicked up, I said, okay, I like this. I'm going to get long. This is all live trading. This is my prop firm account. One small pullback candle. And this thing opened up. And then it shot up. Just like a bull flag. As you can see, I only need like $1,049 to get another payout for $2,000. This is all live trading. This is my prop firm account.
As you can see, I only need like $1,049 to get.
Okay, so it's come back. It's retesting again. This is good. So now it's almost like another flag. And then it's also within this channel. You want to make sure that this stays in place. Retesting the channel and holding. You can get long here, anticipating. Okay, the next break. So the break over 80, like 2, would be your entry. So don't even get in yet. See how that's just gonna snap everybody out. This is your entry.
So the break over 80, like 2.
Okay. Or if this closes with the bottoming tail showing that there's support here, buyers are stepping in. Your new entry would be right here at like roughly, 79.80. It would be the break of this 1 minute candle. This is just a pullback. And then we also have to look at that. We got another channel forming down here.
Or if this closes with the bottoming tail showing that there's support here, buyers are stepping in.
Okay, so you could have came back down here and then got in long here as well. Okay, so this is going to be your entry zone right up in here. Anywhere from 80 to 82. 80 to 82 on the numbers as of right now. Because you needed to go over that. So right.
Okay, so you could have came back down here and got in long here as well.
80 to 82.
So this is going to be your entry zone.
I'm getting in, long, anticipating the break. I'm long. There's the break up and over. It's pushing. I'm going to be easy on this, so I'm not sure. It might be a false breakout. Watching time and sales. I need to see green pushing through. Okay, they're pushing a little bit. If I saw a lot of green, I'd add, but I'm not adding yet. 85s needs to get hit next. 85s, and then keep pushing up.
Break up and over. It's pushing. I'm going to be easy on this, so I'm not sure. It might be a false breakout.
Dip buyers might be stepping in right here. And then you're going to see some more green coming through over here on time and sales. Pushing up higher. Pushing up higher. I want to see at least it to break over 86. There we go. Open over 86. It's pushing. It's kind of grinding here. It's going to start squeezing out shorts right here. And this is where you have a nice squeeze up back into the 90s. So we're looking for the 90s. Looking for the 90s next.
Pushing up higher. I want to see at least it to break over 86. There we go. Open over 86. It's pushing.
It's kind of slowing down right now. There's the squeeze into the 90s good. There we go. Right there. We're there in the 90s. We need to squeeze higher to high day would be ideal. So right now, if people start adding, it'd be nice to start pushing up into the 95s. They're working it, though, into the 95s, the mid-90s. There we go. Continuing up. We're working good here. Let's go to the 600s now. Come on. Keep pushing it. They're getting some accumulation. You notice how it's not getting sold off, but it's pulling back. But then that's enough for people to get back in higher. Okay, so the 90s, 95s. Perfect. Keep going into the 600s. Test high a day. Squeeze out all the shorts out of the high a day. But you also need to watch out for a double top.
They're getting some accumulation. Notice how it's not getting sold off.
I'm going to put a stop in right here at the 90s or the 91s just to take profit just in case it goes against us here. Hoping for a push high a day.
Squeeze out all the shorts out of the high a day.
High day is around 603.
Watch out for a double top.
603 pushing. Come on, let's see the 600s here next. 600s next.
I'm going to put a stop in right here.
I have a tight stop on this though because I'm taking profit no matter what. Keep going up.
Hoping for a push.
In the 31s for profit for me. It came down. It took me out. That's okay though. It took me out. So I'm out. So I'm thinking a possible double top might get me putting in here. Maybe not. I played it safe and I got taken out. Oh, there's that squeeze. I got stopped out just before the squeeze. There's a squeeze up over the 603s. High a day up to the 610s. And there's the wild ride that I just missed because I was excuse me, I was too tight on my stop. Wow. What a rip.
Oh, there's that squeeze. I got stopped out just before the squeeze. Up on the
now it's getting, you got a lot of volatility coming in. Looks like algos are trading this, to be honest.
That I just missed because I was, excuse me, I was too tight on my stop.
Up 219 on the day
Wow.
with just the minis.
What a rip. Now it's getting, you got a lot of volatility coming in. Looks like algos are trading this, to be honest.
A lot of volatility coming in.
219 on the day. Just a minute.
Pretty intensely from its initial strength in the morning. They did have a EPS beat, but a sales miss and their guidance over expectations. On the other side, the ULC and Ulta Beauty initially trading much lower now, just a couple percentage points away from being green on the day here. They missed EPS and sales estimates and actually lowered their guidance for the year. So here's a look at this pretty exciting end to a very busy week ahead.
Well, it's not over yet. It's 10 o'clock. It's not the end of the week. And we've got a full day of trading. I mean, we've got midday madness. We've got the aftermarket show. We got a long weekend. So we're going to pack a lot of weekend. And we'll see the tax things in the firm.
Beautiful squeeze up and over. I played it a little safe just to take some profit, but that's what you have to do when you're playing with the prop firm money. $219 on the day. Played it very, very safe. So at the high day, you have another flag pattern setting up here. Right there. Looks like it's slowly breaking out. But it's trying. Testing that high day. Shorts are getting short. They might get squeezed out of there. It's got room. Small room, but a little bit of room. You need to have the volume. A lot of people don't want to buy it high a day. If they're shorting, then that's one thing. But this thing doesn't even look even ready to short. Looking at the charts. I'd expect the shorts to start coming in around maybe the 1990s to... Yeah, I'd say, well, it's got room. Actually, there might be a short potential around 34. So 34s. This actually has a nice little bit of room in here to short. You got to see how it looks. Beck in the house was. What a squeeze. Okay, that's going to pretty much do it for me. I'll be watching the markets the rest of the day, but this is all I'm going to do for the live. Thank you, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, come check us out on Discord, Instagram, and keep drawing those trend lines to anticipate those breakouts and those pullbacks. All right, everybody.